Teejay, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good? You too. You already know what time it is, gang. Yo, I'm back in this bitch. And you see what I go on. Yeah, man, war gets sweet, gang. You see me? Yeah, man, it seemed like, it looked like Teejay replied like a couple hours ago, man. And the reply, this is a reply to Byron's collision track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he just dropped this a couple of hours ago. Everybody been wondering, is Teejay gonna reply? Is they gonna continue the war? What's gonna happen? And then yesterday, Teejay went live on IG. Was like, he's not done with Byron as yet. So yeah, it looked like Teejay drop his new song, man. And man, hey, people been talking about it. I need to hear what's going on because I haven't listened to it as yet, man. And YouTube been messing up, America, because it ain't notifying me that the man dropped, bro. I was waiting for him to drop so I can do it right as he dropped it. I want to do it right away, but YouTube ain't notifying me, man. So, but yeah, but we're gonna check it out, see what Teejay did with it. Saying Teejay come even harder than last time. I see what I go on. We could see what the war is actually saying, so we can know where we stand, where the war I go. See if it's gonna continue or it's gonna be over with. You know what I'm saying, gang? So we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer, man, because I know this, man. I'm expecting this track to be crazy, gang. You feel me? I hope it meets my expectation. You know what I'm saying? I hope I don't over expectation of the song. But let's jump right in the track, man. This is gonna be crazy. I'm curious to see what Teejay will come with, and then we're gonna see where hopefully Byron reply. See what I go on, gang. Yeah, man. So we don't want to fight much longer. Let's jump the track. Yeah, man. War there. Let's get it. This is Teejay Unwanted, gang. Let's get it.
UTC, me say, UTC to the wall. Yeah, Byron and the Byron never kill nobody, dog. Byron them never bust gun, brother.
They never kill nobody. Yo, this idiot crazy. Why they never bust gun? They never kill nobody. UTC, that's his straight. I mean,
Murdered. Lift up a rifle, they give me. Me bad for real, somebody tell the kid me be bullet him, me be bullet him. Hey, grenade inna me hand panizi, me be pull it in, me be pull it in. When them in a car and listen little Kim, we can make big boy broke out with little things. Them know.
Look like Teejay taking the smooth and calm, deadly approach on this track, gang. You know what I'm saying? And I like it so far. What y'all think, man? Come on.
We them know we wanted. Hey, we got. Approach him. In a head when me make the Glock open. Boy see the camp and catch cold skin. Chop off picket and put it in a oven. A laugh, in a talk, in a joke, in a shoot.
Chop off picket and put it in a oven, bro. Yeah, hey. Who wanna say Teejay never become a dance? What y'all gonna say about this one now?
Bar and the shorty you roll with. Act like say me make him mad at this one him. Better make use the rust chain and choke him. One bag of killers and ganja smoking. Clip a load up, figure do the patrolling. Black full of murder, a killer no boring me. A killer no know me now, make it no grow big. No badness, no close friend.
No. Now make sure no grow big. You see me and say we are nipping in the body. Yeah, that's crazy. Come on, let's get it going. Let's get it.
Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him.
Whoa. No. Teejay, this Prince Swanny, bro. No. Dog, I bring Swanny in that war. No, dog, Prince Cranny. Go on. Hold on there. I thought Teejay said, Byron and Z. Like say, him and Swanny still good. It was just in between Teejay and Byron. Boy, dog, bring Prince Swanny in that war, dog. Gang. This is gonna be crazy. Bro. Let's hear what going on. Come here. Hold on, I have to pull up that line, bro. You man bring Prince Swanny in this, bro. When say Prince Quan, holy shit. Me know say all that Trini I got blood clear rise up the work there, but this war gonna be crazy, gang.
Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him. Bought him a wrap up head, give him a nose. You not fuck around because of people wicked. You not fuck around because you're easy faking.
Easy.
Me dog them down.
Yeah. People like talk about but TJ might be a nice one in shock and he now come to what you gonna say about this one. We no can't be biased now, you know. We not gonna say no, come in. Yeah man, we love two artists them now, so we not gonna say no. What you say?
Pussy them know say me crazy. No say me insane. Rifle I kick like Bailey. And I report your brain. Can't tell me you a Taliban. Me soon sanction no play.
So now Taliban me soon sanction on no place. Oh man! Yo. I know a lot of people gonna miss that line, bro. When I say on a Taliban, me soon sanction on no place. Y'all don't get it, bro. Yeah, y'all Taliban, me America. You see me? Y'all holy shit. If you're Taliban, me America, dog, me Barack. You see me? Y'all don't get that, bro. Cause that's what thing they know that America put sanctions on the Taliban on Afghanistan and Iraq and them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man, cause you don't know, so the real bad man them are US. You see me? I say, yeah, dog. So man say, yo, y'all say I Taliban, me soon sanction your place, brother. Easy, come on.
Yeah. Can't shoot at me car and I'm in a that. Remember you come a yard, come drift and crash. Maybe lift one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, Tony Pan, him and Mack.
The man say, yo, shoot up me car and I mean that, man. You remember say you come a yard and drift and crash, you know. I remember say Byron in a car accident, bro. Remember say you come a yard and drift and crash, you know, my you. So go easy yourself, you know. So you can't say no, boy, not drifting. You see what I say, but hey, come on. Hold on, gang. Come on.
If I crash, maybe lift up one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, Tony Pan, him and Mack. Yeah, the pussy them a waste man, piss and trash. Shot in your face.
Him said Tony Pan, him and Mack. DJ Mack. DJ Mack a get it, dog. Bombard. Yo, TJ giving it to everybody, bro. Come on.
Kinda kick and box. Me we chop off your ass head with one last. Send kids a ball, I say you till and that. And I use say your friend turn fish and sprat. Me no understand, could do vision that. So you make man moan like girl in a song. Hey boy Byron, you a give man. Every girl love chili down a Trinidad. And a real chat.
Them way I make man moan in a song, you hey boy Byron, you give man blood bleed. Easy though. I you say your friend turn fish. Dang, yeah. Yo, why nice.
You a give man. Every girl love chili down a Trinidad. And a real chat that make you 6 pants clap. And no feel say me answer your cause you a somebody me G will a come from me and back. No fuck around because of people we kill. You no fuck around because you're easy fi kill.
Easy no man, you don't fuck yourself. Easy. Blows and skirt. TJ ain't come to play. Calm and deadly. See, you see me, I say, everybody was talking about that calm and deadly. See, TJ come do calm and deadly, you know. So, go on. You see me not pick my side in the war, you know. You see me, I watch and go on. More you don't have to say no. You see me?
Them done.
Easy no, man. Behave on yourself.
This is my company.
Oh, my gang. TJ reply. That mafia on the thing about that one day. My Trini people, them on the thing about that one day. Yard people, St. Kitts people, everybody, Caribbean people on the thing about that one day. You see me, I won't have to say no. Cause see TJ, you know, when I say, yo, TJ come up with be a bag of nice and I rape on the last one. And TJ song was hard. You see me, see come calm and deadly with a hard on what you gotta say now. You see me, I say, yeah, Byron bring it on the calm and thing the level, you know. You see me, I say, TJ, answer back. What you gotta say, man? I wanna know in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let me see what go on, cause this was crazy, man. Yeah, man. I love it. I love what go on. You see me, I say, oh, that thing. You see me? Eh? Oh, that thing, what I want to see what go on. Right now, everybody away from Byron right now. You feel me? If you say Byron reply, me just there watch, cause people get mad when I say, yo, rate it and try to say, yo, this one. Tone and this one the way niggas in mind. So guess what? I'm gonna keep my opinion on it. I'm gonna let you know when war done. You see me I say? So people not getting at them feelings and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But gang, let me know what y'all think about this one, cause this one went crazy, in my opinion, man. You know what I'm saying? Like the war. Like where war going, the man them brave up the thing, man they now coward out and joke out and gal out the thing, man my war. You see me going at it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, I'm like what I going right now. The war look like he can consistent and he can maintain and yeah, man. He's eventually gonna come and win. But man, if this go for the rest of the year, bro, nobody ain't paying attention to no other artists. You see me, every other artist have to go sit down and wait. I'm telling you right now. If they continue this shit to Christmas or next year, bro, everybody have to go sit down and wait, gang. No cap. Yeah, man. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. If you like the show, that's them love and support. You don't know boy Jambisco dance. Let me know what's Jambisco dance. And if you like the video, please consider becoming a part of the family, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. Join the gang, littest family on YouTube. You already know what time it is, gang, man. Alright, nice. We love war. You see me. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.